Today I am going to draw a village scene with a 1 point perspective. We are going to make it a sketching. So please take a pencil, HB pencil as well as 10B pencil or a 8B pencil. Now we are going to start. This is our paper slipping page. I am going to mark it here. One dot and one curve line going towards downside, one more curve line going towards downside. This is my walking street. Now here I am going to make it few house which is going far away, and its width will be going to decreases. How it decreases I am going to show it. I am going to make it one society point of view, which is a house being connected with each other, 1 2 3 4, same thing here on opposite side, and this is a space where people can walk it. Now we are going to start. This is my road done. Now one tree here by using curve and straight line, again curve, same thing here, straight and curve line, again curve line going towards upside straight line and curve, again V at the center, again one curve line coming towards downside, one curve line going towards upside, V on a center, and little bit curve line going towards outside. This is my log of the tree. You can shade it inside by giving the strokes. If you want to give a edge in a tree, yes, edge is ready. Now I am giving a strokes of the log. Here my log is going to finish. It's done. Now I am going to make a tree, curve, curve, curve. I am closing the edges of the branches, where I am showing this as a bushes. This is my closing edges of a bushes. Now open edges of a bushes, where I am going to show this tree as a half tree. Now few shading inside by giving a slanting strokes. Here my slanting strokes are there. Even also then center point. Here my tree is ready. Now I am going to make it a row of house. One slanting line, one more slanting line, one slanting line going towards upside, one more slanting line. I am going to make it one whole row which is slanting. So I am going to make it this line as a slanting. Again slanting, straight, straight and straight. This is my one house done. Now I want to make it few more houses which has been hiding to one another. So one more here which has been hiding half, again slanting, again slanting, again slanting, go it straight, go it straight. So half it has been hidden on this, hide on this first house. Now third will also hide. This is my third one. Now I am going towards fourth. Here my fourth is ready. Now a door by using straight line and curve lines, make it dark. I want to show a darkness inside. If you want to show at the center, yes, you can show at the center. Here are the door done. Now few line strokes as a showing a kacha house. This is a straight line strokes which I am going to make it in walls. Same thing in second, same thing in fourth, and same thing in last. Done. Now I am going towards dark portion here. I'm showing dark because I want to show this as a kacha house. So this is the straws which is been putted on a roof. Same thing here. This is a dark tone what I'm doing right now. Same thing here. My house is done. Now same thing here. One small house at the starting point. Half. Same thing here. Again same thing here by using slanting and standing lines. When it comes downside, its strength grows off. House is going to be a big when it comes to end point of the page. Here I'm going to give a finishing line of house. Here my row of the house is done. Now again door, if you want to make it on a front side, you can make it on front side. If you want to make it on side, yes, you can make it on side. Here my row of the house is ready. Now same thing, dark on a roof. And light on my walls. Same thing here, dark on a roof and light on a walls. Make it very lightly at the downside. If you got a 8B pencil or a 10B pencil, it will be very nice for you. It can give shades directly. Here my row house is going to finish. A small tiny house left. That's my house done. Now few land areas where you found it slipping, make it light tone at the downside. All the layers of this will be a layers of the land here, so make it light. Now here one straight line. This is the layer of the land. One more at this point, going back side, again going on opposite side. So this is our far land. Even you can make it like a grassy. Here I am going to make it grassy. Even at the back of the tree, at the center, few grasses grown on a ground. Few mountains at the back side. And few shadings at a one point. I'm showing at a right point. Here my mountain is done. Now I want to show this as a walking land, so I am going to do little bit shading inside. I am doing very light shading. Here my light shading is done. If you want to show some stones, you can show the stones there. If you want to show the grass, yes, you can show the grass by giving the strokes rising upside at all the corners of the house. Even also you can make it at the front side of a house, back side too. If you want to show the man, at the back of the house, circle, oval shape and straight line, which is walking down back to the house. Even also you can make it straight, is walking on a road. I'm going to make it one family, small family. Man is carrying one child. He is walking on a path, and her wife, I'm going to make it full family. This is a lady which is living in a village, wearing a sari. She is carrying something. Again a footsteps and a shadow. Now again I am rubbing the sky for showing the sun. Now I am going to take an eraser and making sun downside, which is hiding in the mountain, and borderline. Now I'm going to make it rays, which is going upside. Here my rays are ready. It's look like a early morning rising sun. This is a one point perspective village, where one point it has been finished. This is called VP point there, and I made it this specially for a perspective art